EGR goes down to right there. The pink on the actuator comes out and goes to a T right there. That's the pink. Right, the black of the actuator is back there. It goes underneath and goes to right there. Okay, that goes right there. This back there. I have that capped. I did oil bypass mod to there. PCV. Everything's fine there. All connected there. That little broke deal there. Let me start it. You have to forgive my rigging of my boost gauge. I am in the process of getting my pillar pod set, so I got it just temporarily up there until it comes in from Summit this week. Alright, I'm at 20 pounds right now. I got a check engine light because yesterday I was messing with it and threw a code, but everything's fine. It just hasn't cleared itself yet. Okay. It runs great. I just want to show you my actuator. It's in the up position. Well, it's working fine. Everything's working fine. Now let's go take it for a test drive. Okay, taking for a test drive. Alright. I have to wait for traffic here. Okay. Feels like it's running fine, but there's no boost. So I'm starting to think it's the gauge and how it's hooked up. It's hauling butt.